Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee latte at home step by step. Start by pulling a 30-second shot of espresso using 18 grams of coffee. Steam 8 Oz milk to 150 degrees F while texturing for sweet microfoam. Pour the milk slowly into the espresso, finishing with simple latte art and a 15-second rest before serving to let flavors meld. Serve immediately and enjoy with a favorite cookie or breakfast. Use freshly roasted beans and a reliable grinder for best results. Aim for a fine espresso grind. Use a 2:1 espresso to milk ratio by volume for balanced flavor and texture. Keep your portafilter clean and ensure 9 bars of pressure during extraction for consistent shots. Practice milk steaming to create velvety microfoam and adjust grind or dose if shots extract too fast or slow. Small adjustments yield big taste improvements, so take notes each time you tweak settings. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more coffee tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals on gear that pairs well with morning routines. Thanks for the support and a wardrobe upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. In 3 simple steps, you can master a latte at home, starting with precision. Pull a 25-30-second espresso shot using 18 grams of coffee, then steam 8 Oz milk to 150 degrees F while creating smooth microfoam. Pour milk steadily, lowering the pitcher near the cup for a solid base, then raising it to finish latte art. Taste and adjust milk temperature or grind for next cup. With practice, you will make consistent lattes that impress friends and yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.